Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Maserati Levante. First, make sure your vehicle is in park or neutral. Then, firmly press the brake pedal. You'll find the engine start/stop button conveniently located on the dashboard. This simple sequence ensures a smooth and safe start every time you get behind the wheel. With the key fob securely inside the cabin, simply press the engine start/stop button once. There's no need to hold it down. A quick press is all it takes. The Levante's powerful engine will then ignite, ready for your journey. This keyless system makes starting your luxury SUV effortless and convenient for every drive. If your Levante doesn't start, first check the key fob battery. A low battery can prevent ignition. Also, confirm that the brake pedal is fully depressed, as this is a crucial safety interlock. Finally, double-check that the gear selector is firmly in park. These steps resolve most common starting issues. For optimal performance, avoid rapid start and stop cycles. It's also good practice to allow a few seconds for the vehicle's systems to complete their checks before driving off. For any specific questions or advanced features, always refer to your Maserati Levante owner's manual. Enjoy your drive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.